Safety laser scanners, or SLS, are often used in applications where there is a presence of a hazard. The purpose of the safety laser scanner is to protect the humans that are also working in that same environment. The SE2L works on a time of flight basis, so it sends out a laser beam. It receives a signal back based on what the target it sees. So effectively it's using laser light and time of flight. The SE2L is configured with a software tool. The user can access that software tool, create a project file with a number of patterns, a number of areas in order to set up the safe working space for the human. So the SE2L, within the software, within the configuration tool, you set up a number of patterns. The SE2L is smart enough to handle up to 128 different patterns, and each pattern is made up of 3 areas. That's 1 safety area plus 2 warning areas, also referred to as zones. The SE2L, as you can see, is very small. It's a key feature for the product, measuring only 80 by 80 by 95 millimeters. With the safety laser scanner, you have a sensing angle of 270 degrees, effectively pointing forwards, so you lose the back 90 degrees. So, as we mentioned just now, the warning zones and the safety zone. The safety zone can be a maximum of 5 meters, and the warning zone on the standard version can be up to 20 meters, and with the advanced version, which was released earlier this year, can be up to 30 meters. There are multiple features inside the SE2L for different applications, and one of those functions is for encoder inputs. So if the application is mobile, therefore like an AGV or an AMR, then you can take the safety encoder signals directly into the SE2L, and those signals then can be used to change those aerial patterns based on the speed of the AGV and the angle of turn. For some applications where things like encoder inputs wouldn't be used, like a static application protecting a robot or handling some safe area on a conveyor, you don't want encoders, but you might want to be able to mute the laser scanner to allow certain products to pass through or certain conditions. Working together with the mute function is an option as well for manual or automatic reset. So in the event the safety laser scanner is triggered, it can either reset itself automatically and the machine continues to run, or has manual intervention by the operator to physically reset it. For applications with really complex areas or the need to cover 360 degrees, the SE2L is capable of running 1 master with up to 3 slaves, providing a very, very, very complex solution. It can use RS485 as 1 single output connected to the safe control system, or each slave itself can be wired independently, providing flexibility to the user. One of the nice features with the SE2L as well is what we call dual protection zone. Now, a dual protection zone simply means rather than just having 1 safety zone, we're going to use 2. It does negate the access to the warning zones, but the OSSDs that are wired into the safety system can be wired OSSD 1 and 2 for 1 protection zone, and OSSD 3 and 4 to save the other protection zone. Applications for safety laser scanners are broad. As I mentioned at the beginning, the purpose of the laser scanner is to ensure safe protection of workers in a hazardous environment where there are moving objects such as AGV, AMR, and also robots and cobots. So any application where you need to protect the user accessing the machine or accessing an area is where you would see a safety laser scanner.